Assignment 3. I will now pin and sew my application onto the cotton canvas. To do this, we need to keep in mind that the cotton canvas is going to be turned into a bag, and we're going to fold it like this and sew the sides together. To be able to pin the application onto the fabric, I need to fold the fabric in the middle and then pin the middle to show where the bottom of the bag is. So I will place a needle in the fold on either side of the fabric. I will now fold out the fabric to the right side. Now keep in mind that this is the top of the bag and here is the bottom of the bag. So somewhere on this surface I want to place my application. And my design looks like this. And now I need to be smart. So I need to think about which piece is going on first. In my case, it's this blue fabric that is at the bottom. And I'm going to place it on the cotton canvas where I feel it looks the best. So the other pieces I'll just put aside for now. So now I will place this piece of fabric. And now you can choose whatever you think looks best, if you want it more close to the bottom or maybe in the middle. Or maybe you want it more to the side. It's really a matter of design. Keep in mind though that you cannot place the fabric closer to the edges than 2 centimeters, because this is where we will sew the sides together. It can also not be closer to the top than 4 centimeters. But I think I will place my design somewhere. Maybe here will look nice. And since I want to be precise, I'm going to measure to make sure that my application is centered. And now it is pretty much in the center. I will now pin the fabric onto the cotton canvas. And when I pin this, I go from the front side of the fabric through both fabrics and on to the front side again. I do this to make sure that the fabric does not move around while I'm sewing. I pin the fabric all the way around the edges. And since my design has all the pieces on top of each other, I need to sew them one piece at a time. But if my design is more spread out, say that I'll remove the screen piece and I want to have my blue square and my red circle and my yellow circle, something like that. Then I can pin them all at the same time and then sew them one piece at a time with matching thread. But since my design has all the pieces on top of each other, I'll put these aside for now and I will start by sewing on my blue square onto the fabric with the right color thread.